I got chickens. They're walking around. So let's see. It's 100 days of Keto Chow. Today is day 19. I'm out in the backyard making hamburgers. So my parents are going to be coming over, and we're going to have hamburgers for lunch. There's a chicken down there. It found water. Anyway, so yeah, like all Sundays, this one's just going to be a really quick, short update. Things are going really well still. Yesterday we had our Utah keto meetup, and I made myself a bunch of the savory tomato soup flavor, just because I wasn't going to be eating any of the stuff that we had, so I wanted something absolutely delicious. So that's what I made. Check this. I'm making. They have these at Sam's Club. I don't know if that'll be reversed or not, but it's got cheese and bacon in the hamburgers. Fantastic. Anyway, so yeah, that's what's going on today. Catch you tomorrow.